This is not your average chicken and sauce. This is straight-up Haitian soul on a plate. Bold, loud, deeply seasoned, unapologetically flavorful. This is the kind of chicken that makes you close your eyes, hum a little, and go back for seconds, then thirds. Welcome to Haitian fried chicken and sauce, where every layer tells a story. First, clean and season your chicken. Add it to a pot and let it simmer until tender but not falling apart. Fry it until golden brown and crispy. Save that broth. That liquid gold is the soul of the sauce. In a pot, fry some tomato paste. Then add the tomatoes and let them fry. Add the carrots and let them soften a little. Look at this beautiful color. Now pour in the chicken broth. Add the bell peppers and let it come to a boil. Now go ahead and add the fried chicken back into the sauce and let it simmer so every piece is coated thick, savory, and bold sauce. The aroma alone will tell you this is not average food. Every layer of herbs, heat, and slow cooking tells a story. Look how irresistible this chicken looks, soaking up all that rich sauce, all that flavor, all that yumminess. Bold, soulful, unforgettable flavor. Final step, add the onions and let that aroma hit you. Watch them melt into the sauce, sweetening everything up and tying all that bold, Creole flavor together. This right here, pure deliciousness. Eat it with rice, boiled plantains, or whatever you please. It's going to hit every time. One bite and you'll know. This is comfort. This is culture. This is tradition. The kind of chicken that makes you close your eyes, hum a little, and go back for seconds, then thirds. Haitian cooking at its finest. Bold, soulful, unforgettable. If you felt this flavor, like, share, save, and subscribe for more bold Haitian cooking. This is Creole food the real way. Check out this close-up. Every piece of chicken drenched in that thick, savory sauce, glistening with herbs, peppers, and pure Creole magic. One look, one sniff, and you know it's flavor you can't forget. #Creole flavor.